Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing some beauty box unboxings. I actually have quite a few here. We have two glossy boxes and we have a Boxycharm. So one is the Glossybox December, Glossybox January, and Boxycharm January. I figured it would just be fun to do them all together and kind of like compare them and see what all was inside. So if you guys are interested in seeing what is in my Boxycharm and my Glossybox, we'll do like kind of a little versus. You guys know I like to do those. Stay tuned, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tons of fun content on here you do not want to miss out, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos. Let's just get unboxing and see what all's inside. I'm gonna start out with the December Christmas glossy box. For some reason, I just kind of like opening them together. It kind of feels like Christmas morning when you have a bunch of boxes to open. And just so you guys know, all these boxes I did get for free from the brand, so I can open them with you guys on camera. I do have a coupon code for money off Glossybox that will be in my description box, and I have a sign up code for Boxycharm. So I always say this in every Glossybox video, but they win for most gorgeous packaging. Like, just look at how beautiful their presentation is. They really put so much thought and effort into it. The gorgeous marble box. This looked a lot like their Christmas advent calendar, which was the best advent calendar like ever, and it's so pretty. I really do enjoy a lot of the items that I get in my glossy box. So this is what it looks like when you open it. They put this gorgeous ribbon. I love their mailer. It's like this, looks like a magazine almost. So I'm just gonna reach my hand in and pull out products. That's how I do it here on my channel. So first we have this Fakai CBD Scalp Calming Shampoo. CBD is still like going crazy in the beauty industry. I don't know if I've seen CBD hair products. This might be a first, but you guys know CBD, I'm like, I just don't, I don't know if I like think it's this like absolutely amazing beauty ingredient personally. But I mean, this is cute for like traveling. I like these kind of smaller hair products for that. Kawaii Girl Cosmetics New York powders. This is, it looks like a little, oh that's cute. It's like a little gold pigment. This is so funny because I literally just decluttered like eye pigments from my collection yesterday, and then I got this new one. So this is an Allerton. It's like a, I don't know if you'll be able to see, it's like a gold shimmer, and the packaging has like little sequins in it. That is so fun. I've never heard of this brand before, but it says it's also cruelty free. Really cute. Okay, next up, ooh, we have Milk Makeup Mini Lip and Cheek Creamy Sheer Blush, and this is in the shade Work. I think I actually found this at TJ Maxx and Marshall's like once upon a time, maybe a few months ago. Milk makes some really great products, so this is cool that this was in the box. Next is, oh, it's a perfume, Valentino Voce Viva Intensa. I've never heard of this one. I've also never tried a Valentino perfume before. Oh, and they put it in this super cute little bottle. I'm so glad that it's a mini bottle and not like one of those little sprays that we're used to. Oh wow, it actually smells pretty good. It's like, let's see if I can put some on here. It's very fresh, powdery. I have to look up the notes. It's strong. I mean, it's not something that I personally like because I am very like kind of one note with my perfumes. You guys know if you've been watching my channel, I'm like a vanilla through and through kind of girl. It's just, to me, stuff like this, I feel like a lot of people would like this, but to me, it's a little bit old lady-ish. It actually kind of smells like what you smell when you walk into Sephora. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but it has like a distinct kind of smell. But honestly, the bottle is really pretty. Just a little too spicy for me. It's just not, it's not me, it's not my scent. Okay, next up we have, oh, I really like this brand, Bloom Effects. I found out about them from Gen Beauty. RIP Gen Beauty, who knows when the next one will be. I haven't been to one in like forever. This is the Dutch Dirt Mask. This is a really cool brand. I have one of their products and it's amazing. It's like this honey mask. So this is a skin purifying, pore purging, detoxing exfoliant. Actually, this is really cool. This tube is made of pachia wood. That's pretty awesome. I love when people do like renewable packaging. It's cool. It feels different too. And it says it's made in the USA. That's awesome. I'm really excited actually to try this. The ingredients aren't on here. I'll have to look them up before I use it, but this is a really, really nice brand. Next, we have these collagen eye patches from Lactose. I don't know if I've heard this brand before, but there we go. Some cool eye patches. These are always fun to put on when you're like getting ready in the morning and you just kind of want to like wake up your eyes a little bit. These are always a fun little treat. I have By Terry. This is the, I just said that's so weird. By Terry. Like I said, it's so pronounced. I don't know what this is though. Balm de Rose. Is it like a lip gloss? Oh, let's see. Ooh, it feels, I really like that. It's just a clear gloss. Yeah, made in France. Pretty cool. This is a very high-end brand. Glossybox is coming through with the high-end brands. I think this is the last product. Neo Elastin Rejuvenate and Hydrate Cream. It's in this like little thing. Actually, let me take it out. Beauty Science Luxury. Okay. Wow. Made in the USA. There's like not really much information on what this is, just that it's a moisturizing cream. I never heard of this brand, Neo Elastin. I'm gonna have to look them up. neoelastin.com. Check it out. Very nice packaging. Okay, cool. That was a really nice box. Now let me look at the inner part and see like what all the prices are. Since this was the Christmas box, they did put more products in here. Okay, so that loose shimmer from Kawaii Girl, that was $15. The Milk Makeup Dusty Rose Mini Lip and Cheek, it says the MSRP is $20, but that was a mini, so I'm just gonna put 10. The lip mask, okay, I didn't get a lip mask. I got an eye mask. That says 18, so I'm just gonna put 8. The Neo Elastin cream is deluxe size, and it's $56. It says formulated with high quality ingredients and revolutionary technology. This moisturizer is for all skin types, and it nourishes with anti-aging, hydrating moisture. The Valentino perfume has orange blossom and golden gardenia with Italian bergamot and mandarin, and it says it's addictive with cool notes of crystal moss and vanilla. The mini is worth $9.45, and the full size 100 milliliter is $135. Really a floral scent with like a little bit of spice in it, at least to me. The Bloom Effects mask, it says it's $49, and it's an exfoliating scrub and face mask in one. And it has Dutch peat, volcanic sand, and kaolin clay. The Vakai CBD shampoo, it says there's also a hydrating mask, but I only had the shampoo. It says 2 of them are $16, so I got 1, so I'm gonna put 8. So my total value for this box is $155.45. I thought that was really good. There was some great stuff in here. The eye shimmer was really cool. The Milk Makeup, we got the little mini perfume. The Bougie moisturizer. The Bloom Effects mask, which is an awesome brand, and then the Fakai. And of course, there's a beautiful presentation again from Glossybox. Okay, moving along to January's box, we have their standard box again. The other one was the really pretty like limited edition marble packaging, but the pink is still really beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out. Oh, we have Julep Love Your Bare Face Brightening Cleansing Cloths. I really like Julep. They're actually a K-beauty brand, which I didn't know about for the longest time. I just thought they were like the average everyday skincare brand. But these actually have licorice extract. I like never go out and buy makeup wipes anymore. It's just not something that's a part of my routine. It also can be like a little bit wasteful. So I only ever use them if someone sends them to me like I get in this box. So these will be nice for like wiping off swatches or getting underneath my eye if any fallout comes out. Have licorice root extract, and that seems to kind of be like the only really like interesting kind of ingredient in here. But just like kind of a standard cleansing cloth. Philip Kingsley. I have not heard of this brand. Sometimes what's cool in the Glossybox is because they're a European company, you'll see some brands you've never seen before and a lot of like UK brands. So I like that that's different from Boxy in that way, where I get to experience brands from Europe. So this is it's a bond builder, which is kind of the whole thing with Olaplex, which by the way, Olaplex is like one of the #1 hair care brands like in the US. Although I'm just like, I don't know, I'm not like obsessed like other people, but that's another story for another day. But this says it's a split end remedy. I am so curious about this. It's made in the UK. It does have sodium PCA, which is one of the bond builder ingredients. Okay, cool. I definitely want to try this. Cute little sample size and new brand for me. Like, we are definitely going to see a lot of more bond kind of hair products coming out in 2022 because of how well Olaplex is doing, and K18 as well. Okay, next up we have another brand I never heard of, Bloom, B-L-U-M-E. Has anyone heard of this brand? It's the Daydreamer, your dream cleanser come true. Made with all natural ingredients like chamomile, geranium, lavender, and giant, not regular, giant sea kelp. This gentle cleanser will leave you feeling heavenly, calming, hydrating, and non-stripping. Okay, that's fun. Another little mini. This is the Codex Beauty Labs, another new brand I haven't heard of. This is the Antu brightening serum. It's made in Ireland. Hibiscus and cherimoya. So interesting. I'm gonna have to like look in the pamphlet and see if there's any more information about this brand. Oh, this is cool. It's Invisibobbles Traceless Bun Tool. I don't get too many like hair accessories in these boxes, so this is cool. It says it secures a bun, quick and easy to use, invisible in the hair, light feel, high wearing comfort, hair loving. Okay, I'm like getting flashbacks to the hair donut trend. You guys remember that back in the day? That was like the last time the bun was like huge. I never really wear my hair in a bun too much. I also don't like to wear my hair up tight anymore because I'm just trying to be very careful with my hairline and all that. But this is interesting. I don't know, what could I don't know how to like even use this. I have this Les Mini Macaron Moisturizing Foot Mask. These are always fun for like a pampering day. Again, another brand I haven't heard of before, but it says it's from Spain. So sadly, this roller is broken. Like, I was trying to use it, but I think it just broke in transit because when I was trying to roll it, it just keeps falling off. So that's really sad. I do already have other rollers like this, but yeah, that is broken. And lastly, we're gonna go into the January Boxycharm. I'm very curious to see what's inside. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull out products here as I go along. Dragon Beauty Job Liner and Lip Pencil Sharpener. I'm noticing actually a lot of brands are coming out with like sharpeners in the lip liners, like Makeup by Mario did that too, and I thought that was cool. So this is in 2.0, and I guess it's like supposed to be like a contour for your lips, which I think is cool because it kind of looks like a really deep color. Oh wow, it's also really long. I've never seen a pencil like this before. Yeah, it's like a brown color. I don't want to swatch it just in case I end up putting it in a giveaway, but I can see why this would be used for contouring. Okay, so first product, and now let's see what's next. We have Item, I guess that's just the name of the brand, is Item Lip Quip Lip Oil in Come Through. It looks like maybe like a peach. I've never heard of this brand either. That's cool. It kind of looks like Kosas actually is what it reminds me of, like the packaging and everything. So that's fun. I'll probably end up just putting that into a giveaway because I feel like I have like a decent amount of lip oils right now. Next up, we have Earth Harbor. I get this in so many of my Glossybox and my Boxycharm boxes. This is the Nymph Nectar Super Fruit Radiance Balm, and it says, from the loving arms of island nymphs comes the sweetest and richest nectar, a buttery beauty secret to reveal radiance and induce youthful buoyancy. Sea fruit and super berries melt across your face. Wow, they had an intense copywriting here. It has olive fruit oil, mango seed butter, cranberry, raspberry, blueberry. This actually looks really cool. I do like this brand. I have like an ampoule from them. I have a serum from them. Cool. I'm definitely interested in this. You don't come across too many balms like this. Let's see what this, ooh. Oh, it smells so good. Just want to feel a little bit. Oh, it's kind of, okay, it's not makeup, it's more skincare, but it feels a little gritty. Thick, I would say. Probably a good product for the winter time when skin's feeling a bit more dry. It feels like a thicker cleansing balm. So they always have the cutest packaging too. I really like it. Okay, next item is Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. This is another brand I have not heard of before. It looks like it's an Australian brand. There's so many cool Australian brands. So it says firming, depuffing, and brightening. So again, I'm probably gonna end up putting this in a giveaway because I already have so many of these like eye patches like trying to get through. So I feel like one of you guys could probably use this more than me, but that's really cool. I mean, these are always fun to put on, like I was saying, in the glossy box. Put them on in the morning, have a little spa day. Wander Beauty, she always also pops up in these boxes, which I'm not complaining because I really like Wander Beauty stuff as well. This is the Wanderous Escape palette. Look at this beautiful outer carton. I love that picture. Oh my goodness, can I go there? It looks like a tropical deserted island, and then all the colors on the back look really beautiful. That's so fun. I'm really excited that they included an eyeshadow palette. I feel like Wander has a pretty decent formula. I think I have one of their eyeshadow palettes and I haven't used it too much, but let me know if you guys got the same box as me or if you got something different. So the Wander Beauty eyeshadow palette retails for $42. The Generation Skin Algae Eye Patches is $49. The Earth Harbor Radiance Balm is $38. Item Beauty, oh, it's by Addison Rae. I didn't even know she had a makeup line. It's her own line, and that is $14. And then the Dragon Beauty Contour Lip Liner is $18. For a total of $161 retail. And I think that Boxycharm actually may have raised their price, which would totally stink, but I feel like I saw that somewhere. Okay, yeah, their price is now $27.99. I'm wondering if that all has to do with like everything else going up in price, so they raised their price too, but that kind of does stink that they raised their price up. So let me know if you guys are still a member of Boxycharm. Did you like this month's box? Oh, let me tell you what my number was. C2201025-BA. So I thought this was a pretty good box. I'm like looking at it. We got an eyeshadow palette, the balm, the eye patches, the lip liner. I mean, yeah, the Addison Rae lip oil. I thought this is a pretty solid box. We got a little bit of everything. We got makeup and we got skincare. So I though really loved that Christmas box that we got from Glossybox, even though I know a lot of their stuff is more like deluxe size, but I feel like a lot of their stuff is a little bit more unique. But still, I thought the Boxycharm was a pretty solid box this month with some goodies in it. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy these unboxings, and if you do still like them, then give this video a thumbs up and press the like button. It helps out my channel a lot, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!